Hello, in this lesson we are going to learn how to process goods receipt for production or subcontracting purchase order. In this lesson we are going to create a GR goods receipt document, and as a reference how we are going or about to do that is by using a subcontract purchase order. To process a goods receipt against a subcontracting PO, I will be using transaction MIGO, which can be found by navigating through the following SAP menu path. So let's go first to logistics, then go to materials management, go to inventory management, go to goods movement, then go ahead and double click on transaction MIGO goods movement MIGO. Double click on it. The goods receipt purchase order screen is displayed. Please keep in mind and note that goods movement triggers the system to use predefined rules specifying how the accounts are to be posted, and also the material or how the material master record is going to be updated. So let's begin, and notice that the default values displayed on the screen are goods receipt purchase order and GR goods receipt. For now it's 101 to the right of the screen. So let's go ahead and enter the subcontracting PO number that we have created earlier. Number is actually 45 and I have it here, the first one, 18086. Once I enter the PO number, I'll just go ahead and press the enter key, and notice the screen name is now showing that you are creating the goods receipt for PO number that ends with 18086. The general tab right here showing the vendor name and document date and posting date. These dates are defaulted date of the current date. Click on the delivery note field to update this field. The delivery note is the number used by the vendor to ship the material to the customer. So for this one I'm gonna create one and make it ends with 90. That's the delivery note number. Click on the header text. This field actually used to store any other information or additional information like the delivery tracking number of the freight forwarder. So I'm going to use and enter EXP, and I'm going to use this guy right here. The quantity received, verify it is the same as the quantities being ordered. The storage location is correct as specified in the original order, and we have the stock type defaulted as or as unrestricted for the received bearings. That means that all bearings were checked and has been inspected and can be moved to unrestricted stock for use. Let's now click on the expand icon to view the components related or linked to the parent material. These are the list of components and quantities that make the main ball bearing, and they will appear in the system as part of the stock until you post the goods. Let's go ahead now and click on the expand icon to collapse the icon. Click the indicator under OK column to save the document. The document will not be saved if the box is not checked. Then check it. Let's go ahead now and save the document. Notice the status bar. The system is showing the material document number has been created and posted. Let's go ahead now and exit this screen. Click on the back out icon. And this will conclude our lesson on how to create goods receipt against the subcontracting purchase order. Let's review the questions that comes with this lesson. And if you have any problem or you get stuck on any of the questions, you could go back and review the material one more time.